It's hard as a parent to balance the need for family life and the need to make money. And it's not your fault, it's just the way the world is. Parents are often forced to neglect one part of their life or another. And the only way to get ahead is being able to find and have a flexible work-life schedule that you can adopt as your needs change. I'm here to let you know it's possible for parents to have this life. With the right tools and the right training, you can achieve a flexible life as an online business owner so that you can work when you want, where you want, and how you want, while still taking care of your family. I'd like to show you that you can spend more quality time with your family, making memories and living in the moments, whilst also giving the opportunity to make an online income as a business owner that will allow you to live life on your terms. Imagine waking up and already you've earned a day's wage. What would you do with that freedom? I have a 3-part video series that will show you how to find multiple sources of online income and get more flexibility in your life. In this 3-part video series, you will learn the 3 most common ways to make money online, that your earnings are not capped like they are now, and how to create a more flexible lifestyle that works for you with automation. If you'd like to learn how you can get this flexibility for yourself and in your life, hit the Learn More button and I'll send this video series straight to your inbox. A flexible life means the days and hours that you work, you set yourself, and they can be tailored to your lifestyle and needs. With a flexible schedule, it's almost like your golden hours. And one major advantage that comes with this type of schedule is that you have the option to take time off when you need it. This leaves the maximum amount of time possible for your personal and family activities. I myself am a father of 4 children, so I understand the pressures that come with not being around. Trying to teach and guide my family with so many responsibilities on my shoulders, it was difficult to find the time. But now, my time is my own, and I spend my days doing what I love. You too can grow and develop as a family by spending quality time together. As a parent, it's important to find out what our children are interested in. Doing so will help them guide them in the right direction and provide a foundation for their future lives. From an early age, they may show a natural ability or interest in something that they can turn into a passion or a lifelong pursuit. And spending more time together will help them achieve that and also create memories that will last forever and a strong family bond in the unit. Hit the Learn More button and leave me your name and email address, and I'll send this video series straight to your inbox. You know how stressful life is right now, and that if you don't act, it will remain that way forever. The flexible life that you're looking for is at your fingertips. Move with the times and start really living the life that you want.